3D printing isn't all about bulky printers extruding layers of plastic. 3D printers come in pen form too, suitable for grown-ups to make more artistic 3D printed items, and now 3D printer pens are available for children. I'm Christian from MakeUseOf.com, and this is the 3Doodler Start 3D Essentials Kit featuring a child-friendly printing pen. Designed for children of 8 and above, this 3D printing pen is safe to use with no hot plastic or metal parts. You may not have noticed from my voice, but I'm slightly out of the 8 to 13 target range for the 3Doodler Start. To get a better idea of how easy the 3Doodler Start Essentials Kit is for children, I recruited my daughter Erin Rose. She started off by unpacking the 3Doodler Start, which thanks to some secure packaging was quite difficult to release. Although the pen comes ready to use, it's worth spending a few minutes charging it via the included USB cable. The next step is to feed in the plastic filament of your choice. A single button on the 3Doodler Start controls feeding and ejecting filament, as well as stopping and starting extrusion, so this step can get a little confusing. Once loaded up, the pen is ready to use. As this 3D printing pen is for children, some modifications have been made to the design to improve safety. I've previously used a standard 3Doodler 3D printing pen and found burns can come from the nib and the hot plastic. None of that is a problem with the 3Doodler Start. To begin with, the temperature of the pen is lower. This, coupled with a plastic nib and filament that melts at a lower temperature, means that the risk of burns is greatly reduced. Additionally, the ABS-free plastic is malleable for a few moments after extrusion. This introduces some new creative possibilities. The malleable plastic gets messy, however. Welding itself to the plastic nozzle is relatively easy to clean, but worth keeping in mind. 3D printed creations are built using templates. These might be ones you've drawn yourself on a piece of paper with a pencil, or the ones that are included in the box. Once the plastic cools and hardens, it can be peeled off a paper template with little or no residue or sticking. 3D printed works with multiple components can then be glued together using more heated plastic. It isn't just on paper that 3D printed creations can be built. 3Doodler has produced a mobile app for Android and iOS, complete with additional templates that can be printed out, and if you're short on paper or ink, you can even use the tablet's display. No, you did hear that right. 3Doodler tell us that the 3Doodler Start pen extrudes plastic at about 110 degrees, so slightly warmer than the human body. This makes it a non-issue with our most popular product. Now, while some residue is evident, this can be easily cleaned off your tablet or smartphone display. Unsurprisingly, Erin Rose preferred using the app to paper. However, I think she'll agree that the best thing she created with the 3Doodler Start was a flower that she made with a paper template. Among the stencils available with the 3Doodler Start Essentials Kit are flowers, an Eiffel Tower, masks, a helicopter, gift tags, Christmas decorations, and many more. Costing just $39, the 3Doodler Start is a great little device for artistically minded children. 3Doodler are keen to extol its STEM virtues, but these really only come into play with specialised robotics and architecture kits. Ultimately, the 3Doodler Start Essentials Kit is an art-focused set for creative kids who want to make bright, colourful, unique art with plastic.